Today at our ribbon cutting, we are celebrating 6 years of growth and 6 years of togetherness, 6 years of programming with kids, 6 years of learning. 6 years ago, it was really just an idea. We had built a little greenhouse. We did have our welcome center. Where we're at right now is our sunflower market and welcome center. And again, everything was new. It was just a mission, a vision, and a lot of hard work over the last 6 years. We now see a space that sees almost 10,000 kids a year. And we're able to feed families. We have a market that is open to the community on a regular basis. We have camps and classes and workshops and field trips and lots of free family fun days. And I think today is really meaningful because it's such a wonderful example of how you can have an idea, a map, a mission, and with a lot of wonderful people, you can see that actualize. At the Clarkston Family Farm, when we think about where to go and where to grow, we like to come back to what's really vital, and that is our mission. At the core of everything we do here, it's answering the question, what's best for kids? We know, through lots of experience and studies will support this, that kids are healthier if they spend time outside. Kids are happier if they're spending time in a natural world. Kids do better academically if they can spend time outside, learning, growing, building things, doing that kinds of hands-on nature-based education. So we feel at the Clarkston Family Farm that if we can help to support that idea, what's best for kids, and we know that that means getting them off their phones and getting them outside, then that's worth doing. It's worth sacrificing, it's worth fundraising, it's worth working long hours, it's worth investing in. All the flowers of tomorrow start with the seeds of today.